Living in West Colombia, where unpredictable weather conditions can include heavy rains, high winds, and even the occasional hurricane, it's essential to protect your home from the damaging effects of extreme storms. One of the best ways to ensure your home remains secure and well protected during these weather events is by installing hurricane-resistant windows. These specialized windows are designed to withstand the most severe storms, providing your home with added protection from wind, water, and debris. In this article, we will explore why hurricane-resistant windows are the perfect solution for protecting your West Colombia home from harsh weather and how they can benefit your property in the long run. What are hurricane-resistant windows? Hurricane-resistant windows, also known as storm-resistant windows, are windows that have been specifically engineered to withstand the high winds, flying debris, and heavy rains associated with hurricanes and severe storms. These windows are typically made with impact-resistant glass, which is designed to stay intact, even when struck by debris. The frames of hurricane-resistant windows are also constructed from durable materials that can resist the force of high winds, keeping the glass firmly in place and ensuring the window remains intact. In addition to impact-resistant glass, these windows often feature multiple layers of protective coatings and reinforced seals that prevent water from infiltrating the home. This makes them ideal for homes in areas like West Colombia, where extreme weather events, including hurricanes, can cause significant damage to homes that aren't properly protected. Protection against wind and debris. One of the most significant dangers during a hurricane or severe storm is the potential for flying debris. When powerful winds pick up objects such as tree branches, rocks, and even parts of buildings, they can become dangerous projectiles that can break windows, letting the storm's force into your home. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to resist these high-speed impacts. Even if debris strikes the window, the impact-resistant glass is engineered to absorb the shock and stay intact, preventing flying debris from entering the home. By installing hurricane-resistant windows, you're significantly reducing the risk of damage caused by flying debris. The windows will continue to function as a protective barrier, keeping your home safer and helping to maintain the structural integrity of the property during intense storms. Water resistance to prevent flooding. In addition to the risk of flying debris, heavy rainfall is another common issue during hurricanes and severe storms. When windows break, water can easily flood into your home, causing significant damage to furniture, electronics, flooring, and even the structural foundation of the house. Hurricane-resistant windows are designed to prevent water from entering your home, even during the heaviest downpours. These windows are constructed with weather-tight seals and impact-resistant glass, which prevent the intrusion of water, reducing the risk of costly water damage. This feature is particularly important in West Colombia, where heavy rainfall and flooding can occur with little warning, and preventing water from entering your home can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Increased energy efficiency. In addition to providing protection against severe weather, hurricane-resistant windows can also improve your home's energy efficiency. Many hurricane-resistant windows are designed with insulating glass that helps to keep your home comfortable year-round. These windows work by reducing heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. With high-performance coatings and gas fills between the panes of glass, hurricane-resistant windows help to reduce the amount of energy required to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This not only improves comfort but also lowers your energy bills. So, in addition to protecting your home from storms, hurricane-resistant windows can contribute to long-term savings on your utility costs. Increased home value and curb appeal. Investing in hurricane-resistant windows can also enhance the value and curb appeal of your home. Not only do these windows provide superior protection against extreme weather, but they also add a modern, sleek appearance to your property. Many homeowners find that the stylish look of storm-resistant windows enhances their home's overall aesthetic, giving it a polished and updated appearance. Moreover, homes with hurricane-resistant windows are often seen as more desirable in the real estate market. These windows offer extra protection for buyers concerned about the potential for storm damage, especially in West Columbia, where harsh weather is a real concern. If you ever decide to sell your home, having hurricane-resistant windows can be a major selling point that increases your home's resale value. Lower insurance premiums. Insurance companies often offer discounts to homeowners who take steps to protect their property from extreme weather. Installing hurricane-resistant windows can qualify you for a reduction in your homeowner's insurance premiums. Insurance providers recognize that homes with storm-resistant features, such as impact-resistant windows, are less likely to suffer significant damage during a hurricane or severe storm. This can lead to substantial savings on your insurance premiums, making hurricane-resistant windows a cost-effective investment in the long run. Peace of mind during storm season. And above all, installing hurricane-resistant windows provides peace of mind during storm season. In West Columbia, where hurricanes and severe weather are a regular concern, knowing that your windows are designed to withstand high winds and flying debris can give you confidence when a storm is approaching. You can rest easy knowing that your home is better protected, reducing the stress that often accompanies hurricane season. Conclusion: protect your West Columbia home with hurricane-resistant windows. When it comes to protecting your West Columbia home from the dangers of hurricanes and severe storms, installing hurricane-resistant windows is one of the best decisions you can make. These windows offer superior protection against flying debris, water infiltration, and extreme weather, while also providing benefits like energy efficiency, increased home value, and insurance savings. By upgrading to hurricane-resistant windows, you're not only safeguarding your home and family but also investing in the long-term durability and comfort of your property. Whether you're looking to protect your home from future storms or simply enhance your home's energy performance, hurricane-resistant windows are a smart investment that offers peace of mind and lasting benefits.